today is the day that I have been waiting to share with you guys for a while. It is my nursery tour and I'm so excited, you guys. I finally finished the nursery. I had it done a couple weeks ago. I had a friend fly out from Phoenix and she helped me put everything together. I'll insert a before clip here that I put on my Instagram stories where it was literally just boxes and boxes and boxes and furniture that needed to be put together.
This is the current state of baby boy's nursery right now. It's quite a mess. There's a lot of stuff. We have a lot to do. This is the task at hand today. We'll call this the before, but I'm so excited to get started.
But it took us 3 full days to put it together, and then I was waiting for one last piece, which is that little baby right there, and then now the nursery is complete. So I thought I would do a nursery tour for you guys. Sorry if this is a little bit wobbly. I am, of course, holding the camera, so yeah, let's get into this. So this is the view when you first enter the nursery. Right over here is the Jack and Jill bathroom, and then over there is an empty room for baby number 2 or playroom or whatever. We're not too sure what we're gonna do with it yet. But yeah, so you walk in and straight away off to the left-hand side, it looks like this. So this is a changing table. I'm gonna link everything in my description box down below as far as where I got it. As much stuff as I can, I'll link for you guys. So this changing table is from Wayfair. We're not going to use it as a changing table simply because it's too far away from the dresser where the diapers and the clothes are. But I'm still going to keep it in here. It does have a built-in laundry basket, which I think is pretty dang cool. And then on top of it, we have medicines and pacifiers and things like that. And then I have this cute little sign right above that I got from Hobby Lobby. That is the closet, which I will show you guys in a minute. And then over here we have the rocker. I love this rocker. I was really on the fence as far as like what kind of rocker I wanted to get, whether I wanted a rocker or a recliner or a rocker and a recliner all in one, but these things are expensive, you guys. So I ended up going with this one. I got it from Bye Bye Baby. It came with a pillow and the ottoman is actually a storage ottoman. So inside the ottoman are all of our baby blankets. So there's that. And then moving on, we have the window. So we have this cute little valance that matches the rest of the nursery. And then here is the baby's crib. So the crib is from Bye Bye Baby, and then you can see like the bedding and everything matches the valance. But of course, inside the crib, all this stuff will come out once baby is born, except for maybe the DACA tot, because he might actually sleep in that. But we'll see. I'm not sure how it's going to go yet, but I got some stuffed animals there. And then up here is something that I'm so in love with. So when I was trying to figure out my theme for the nursery, I didn't really want a theme, to be honest. People have like teddy bears or, you know, there's so many different things you can do for your theme of the nursery. Disney, Mickey Mouse, I mean, there's a lot. But I wasn't really into any of it, so when I was picking out nursery stuff, I kind of stuck to colors. I stuck to mint green or turquoise and gray and kind of like a chevron-y print. And then I was browsing through the Pottery Barn website, Pottery Barn Kids, and I found a picture very similar to this where it was like a cartoon map of the world with little cartoon animals, but it was $400, you guys. And I was like, I cannot spend $400 on a nursery piece. So I went searching and I actually found this, which I think I like better. It's bigger, it's more vibrant, there's more animals on it, and I found it on Etsy. So I will link it down below for you guys if you're curious. It's a canvas print. The one from Pottery Barn was a framed glass print. So I feel a little bit more comfortable hanging something like this above my baby's crib versus like a heavy framed glass photo. These are just very light, very thin canvases, and it was like $1/4 of the price. So I will link that down below, but that's kind of like our big accent piece for the nursery. It's just a super cute map of the world with animals from each of the like countries and continents and things like that. So directly next to that is baby's dresser. So this is a dresser from IKEA. We love this dresser. This is the dresser we have in our own bedroom. We just have the gray one, and this is of course the white one. So I'll show you guys what's in there in a minute, but right above that I have some shelves with his little baby shoes. I mean, look at how cute those are, you guys. Baby shoes are the cutest. And then his little newsboy hat. And then we got some other hats right here. And then his little ultrasound picture is up there. So that's what's up there. And then on top, this stuff is eventually going to be moved. This is just new stuff or stuff we haven't quite got together yet. So we have our Hatch baby, which is like a noise and light machine, and then our monitor, and then this little toy I bought for him from Target. That's one thing he doesn't have a lot of right now is toys, so I figured that would be good, and it's like an infant toy. So, but what is going to remain on top of the dresser is this little changing pad. So I figured this was a good place to change his diaper because right below it in the drawers, I have diapers. So I put his diapers in here, and then this drawer just has, like, once it focuses, you guys will be able to see, it just has like diaper changing supplies. So I have extra wipes, diaper cream, little washcloths to cover his pee-pee. While you're changing the diaper, I've heard boys like to pee everywhere, so put a washcloth on it while you're changing their diaper is the trick I've heard. But there's that. And then I have this little basket that has the wipes, so the little wipe container, some lotions, PPTPs, see more of them, and then hand sanitizer. So that's what's going to remain on the dresser. And then right over here is our diaper pail, so a nice little cubby for the diaper pail. So that's what's over here. Then over here is his bookcase. So this is a 9 square from IKEA. So as you can see, we have all the books that I got from our baby shower, as well as some books that I purchased myself and some that my mom has bought, and then some little toys over here. And then in each of these, there's going to be different things. Right now, they're pretty empty, but I figure as he grows, as he gets more toys, we can use those for toys. We'll see what they turn into. Right now, they're just kind of empty. I think one of them has teethers in it, and then the other one has like soft stuffed animals, like extra ones that I didn't know where to put. And then on top of that, we have this little thumbprint thing that we had at his baby shower. So everybody who attended his baby shower put their little thumbprint. I think we're missing a couple people forgot. But I thought that was really special and really cute, and it matches the color of the nursery. So that is right there. And then these little bookends I got from Target. I just love them. I just think it's so cute. I hope he loves dogs as much as I do. And then just this little lamp is also from Target. So that's what is there. And then this sign right above it I also got from Hobby Lobby. It's taking a minute to focus, of course, my camera, there we go. But that is what goes on this wall. And that's pretty much it as far as what's in the nursery. This is the only room in our house that's completely furnished and decorated with stuff on the wall. And I just love it. I just love coming in here and like sitting on the little rocker and just like awing, because it is my favorite room in the house and I'm so excited. I literally can't wait for him to be born. I still have a few weeks, but I'm just so excited and I'm so ready. So his closet over here, I'll show you guys really quick. It's kind of a mess, but it just has like spare stuff in it for now. So this is one of those like foam chairs from Pottery Barn that Matt's sister got us for the baby shower. I haven't put it together yet, but I will. I think that'll be really cute to take his like progressive monthly pictures on. And I think I'm probably going to put it like in the corner right there or something. But yeah, so that's that. That tub has clothes in it that are too big for him right now. We have spare wipes, the Boppy Lounger, Boppy, Breast Friend. We have his tub, Rock and Play, humidifier, things like that. His tummy time mat, my pump is right there. And then up here we have more spare supplies. So I'm still kind of getting things organized, figuring out what I want to do. We have baby Catan and the Ergo baby up there. And then as far as like what's being hung up in here, I figure this is where clothes, like kind of his nicer clothes or his outfits or sweaters or things like that can be hung up. But the majority of his clothes are in the dresser, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. So those are extra clothes that I recently purchased. So yeah, that's what's in there. Okay, so moving on to the dresser. So I already showed you guys what's in these two top drawers, so diapers and then changing supplies. Over here we have socks, booties, and mittens are back there. So he has a lot of socks. He has a lot of clothes in general, I'm warning you guys up front. But here's like little booties. There's more booties under there, just a ton of cute little booties. These are smaller size socks and these are larger sized socks, and then mittens are back there. I figure he probably won't wear mittens for very long, but we'll see. This drawer has all of his bibs, so his like soft bibs are in here, more like drool bibs, I guess. Beanies, like little hats and beanies and things like that. And then these are, I think they're called receding blankets. I wasn't really sure where to put these, so I don't know. I might end up moving those, but we'll see. And then first drawer here are all of his onesies. As you can see, he has lots of onesies. So I decided to take the tags off and wash everything that's through 6 months. So this is newborn through 6 months. So I just kind of like organize it accordingly. So newborn, 3 months, 6 months, you know, kind of like that. But yeah, those are all of his onesies. He has a lot of clothes. And then over here are all of his sleepers, so same general idea. So newborn, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. And then those are like sleeping gowns that don't have feet on them. So there's that. And then this bottom drawer has his pants over here, rompers over here, and then just other kind of odds and ends and clothes that I feel like he might not wear as much. Are back there. So I figure he probably, I mean, most of the rompers are size 6 months. So eventually, once the smaller clothes clear out, I can move the rompers up here. But pants, I feel like, honestly, he probably won't wear pants very often unless we're leaving the house. So that's why I put them on the bottom there. So there's that. And then this drawer has all of his swaddles right there. And then these are fleece sleepers that he will need once it gets really cold. And then these are like the pre-structured swaddles as opposed to swaddle blankets. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is our nursery tour. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wish I could just express to you how excited I am for this baby to be born. I can't wait. I'm so excited to meet him. But that's it for today. And I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this nursery tour, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!